Most people who are broke are not lazy. They wake up early. They work long hours. They're constantly tired, yet nothing changes. That's the confusing part, because effort is there, but progress isn't. In this video, we're going to talk honestly about why many people work hard and still stay broke, and what actually needs to change. Hard work is not the same as leverage. Hard work is effort. Wealth is leverage. Effort depends on your time and energy. Leverage allows results to grow beyond your hours. When income is tied only to time, there is a ceiling. No matter how hard you work, you can't break it. This is why many people feel trapped. They're giving everything, but the system they're in can't grow. Low-value work pays low forever. Not all work is valued equally. Some work is easy to replace. Some skills are common, and common skills don't command high pay. Working harder in low-value work doesn't raise income. It just raises exhaustion. Income grows when your value grows, not when your stress does. No skill stack, nitrogen monoxide income growth. Many people rely on one skill, one role, one income source. When that stalls, everything stalls. Wealth grows through skill stacking, combining skills that increase demand and pay. Without skill growth, effort stays stuck at the same level year after year. Spending keeps canceling earnings. Another reason hard work doesn't translate into wealth is spending. More effort brings more income, but spending quietly rises with it. Lifestyle inflation erases progress. Money comes in, money goes out, and nothing remains. Hard work without financial control leads nowhere. No system, just survival. Many people are not building wealth systems. They're surviving. No plan, no structure, no long-term direction. Just bills, pressure, and short-term thinking. Wealth is built with systems, not constant emergency mode. What actually changes the outcome? Working hard is not useless, but it must be paired with skill growth, income leverage, spending discipline, long-term systems. When effort is directed, it compounds. When it isn't, it exhausts. Hard work should be a starting point, not the entire strategy. If you're working hard and still broke, you're not failing. You're just playing a game that doesn't reward effort alone. Change the system, increase your value, control your money. That's how hard work finally starts to pay. If this helped you think more clearly about money, subscribe to A Wealth Project. This channel is about slow wealth built the right way. Go and get it right. We look forward to see you in our next video.